Talking about money can be awkward, especially in a relationship, but it's one of the most important conversations you'll ever have with your partner. Finances play a significant role in building trust, achieving shared goals, and maintaining harmony in a relationship. In this video, we'll explore why money conversations matter, common challenges couples face, and actionable tips to navigate this sensitive topic without conflict. By the end, you'll have the tools to strengthen both your financial and emotional bonds. Let's dive in. Why money conversations matter. Why is it so important to talk about money with your partner? Trust and transparency. Money represents more than numbers. It's tied to our values, dreams, and security. Discussing finances openly builds trust and ensures you're on the same page. Preventing misunderstandings. Money fights are one of the leading causes of relationship stress. Avoiding the topic can lead to misunderstandings, resentment, and even bigger problems down the road. Achieving shared goals. Whether it's buying a house, traveling, or starting a family, clear financial planning helps you work together toward what truly matters. Remember, a healthy financial partnership isn't about who earns more. It's about how you manage your resources together. Common financial challenges in relationships. Every couple faces financial challenges. Here are some common ones and how to address them. 1. Different spending habits. One of you might be a saver, while the other is a spender. This can cause friction if not addressed. Solution? Set a budget together and agree on discretionary spending limits. 2. Unequal incomes. If one partner earns significantly more than the other, it can lead to feelings of power imbalance or guilt. Be clear about how expenses will be shared, equally or proportionally based on income. 3. Hidden debt. Debt can be a sensitive topic, but it's crucial to be upfront about it. Develop a repayment plan together, focusing on tackling high-interest debt first. 4. Family or cultural expectations. Different backgrounds may influence how you view money. For example, one partner might. Preparing for the conversation. Talking about money doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here's how to prepare for a productive conversation. Step 1. Choose the right time and place. Avoid starting the conversation when emotions are high. Pick a neutral, relaxed setting, like a quiet evening at home or during a walk. Step 2. Reflect on your own finances. Before discussing money with your partner, understand your own financial habits, goals, and concerns. Step 3. Set an agenda. Outline what you want to talk about, whether it's budgeting, savings, debt, or long-term goals. This ensures the conversation stays focused and productive. 5. Starting the conversation. Starting a money conversation can feel awkward, but it doesn't have to be. Here's how to ease into it. 1. Use I statements. Instead of saying, "You always overspend," try, "I feel stressed about our monthly expenses." This avoids placing blame and keeps the conversation constructive. 2. Share your why. Explain why this discussion matters to you. For example, "I want us to work toward buying a house together," or "I'd like to save for our future." 3. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage your partner to share their thoughts by asking questions like, "What are your financial goals?" "How do you feel about our current spending habits?" 4. Listen without judging. Create a safe space for your partner to express themselves. Even if their perspective surprises you, avoid criticism. It's about understanding each other. Creating a joint financial plan. Once you've had the initial conversation, it's time to create a financial plan together. Step 1. Set shared goals. Discuss what you want to achieve as a couple, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, saving for a vacation or a down payment on a home. Step 2. Create a budget work together to track your combined income and expenses. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or Excel spreadsheets to allocate funds effectively. Step 3. Decide on account structures. Joint accounts for shared expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. Individual accounts to maintain financial independence for personal spending. Step 4. Plan for the long-term. Start discussing retirement plans, investments, and insurance. These topics might seem far off, but planning now can save stress later. Handling conflicts constructively. It's normal to disagree about money, but how you handle conflicts can make or break your financial partnership. 1. Stay calm. If a disagreement escalates, take a break to cool off. Revisit the conversation when both of you are calm. 2. Focus on solutions.